What up, everybody? We are back. It is another day, another Fojo. This is the guy we got for today. Took quite a few, tried a couple of different things here. I was trying to figure out how to get smoke in the bubbles, and I eventually figured it out, but I couldn't get the timing with the photo and the smoke bubbles very good. But you'll see some of those shots towards the end. I think some of these bubble shots is going to be one of the ones that we're going to do here. Kind of like that. Mark that guy.
Brush my busted jeans, blood red moon on the TV screen. I taste wine, and last night's ash, pray for peace. While the bass lines clash, can I be holy and hungry at the same time?
Okay. So you got smoke in there. I just couldn't get them to pop on time and get them in there. Alright, let's go through our... So this is a good one because of the splash and all that there. Same with this, and it covers this whole face, which is kind of fun. This one's got a nice stack and layer to it. Some good depth in this one. Depth in that one. Got this one exploding. There's some depth in there. I want to test them real quick.
Welcome to the cathedral of the dance floor doom, where the lost kids sing in a shattered room. We got halos spinning with the colored fumes. I find a little praise
We're gonna go with this guy. It's decided. Green means go. Here we go. There's text, there's clarity. Yeah. Add a little haze. Detail. A little luminance denoise. A little color denoise. Push that blue a bit. Yellow, blacks down, white, shadow, highlight, contrast, exposure, take some vibrance down, some saturation. And denoise. Throw the AC on. Make sure you guys go check out SqueekyDoorProductions.com. That's Squeaky with 2 E's. And go and try the Rate Your Photo app on the website. Let me know what you like. Alright. Smooth. Now we shall go in here. We're going to do the cleaning. Remove it. You can do it. Brush my busted jeans, blood red moon on the TV screen. Taste wine.
Go get some snacks, perhaps a carbonated soda.
Face the foot style. How'd you like it?
I'm liking what we got here. Let's go through these, just see what else we got. I like 3 best. Alright. Now we go into some masking. Do object mask. Cover up our buddy and make it okay. Boom. Sharka larga barga barga. Close a bit. Contrast. Highlight down a bit. Shadows up a bit. Bring the black in. texture, clarity. A little dehaze, nothing crazy. Degrain, defringe, denoise, a little sharpen. Okay. Now I want to duplicate invert that mask.
Oh, no, it's good. It's good.
No, no. Please, I have a wound there.
Oh, come on, don't spoil everything. This works for both of us, huh?
Yes. Anyway, we're gonna go up just a tiny bit. Contrasts, highlights, shadow down, white, black in, not too much. Blur with it. Saturation down a bit. Degrain, denoise, sharpen a bit. Okay. Defringe. That's looking good. Prominent.
Welcome to the cathedral of the dance floor gloom, where the lost can sing in a shattered room. We got halo, halo spinning with the colored fuse. I found a little grace in this unholy groove. Cathedral of the dance floor gloom. Chrome halo over cheap bar stool. We pray every lost night fool. Hands up like a midnight choir. Stroke across on a smoke machine spire. You say, sin or sing. I say, same thing. When the floor starts shaking,
There we go. Soften that edge. Boom. That is our photo for today. And now, we call it adieu.
I'm bleeding, making me the victor.
And I hope that all of you like, subscribe, share, and go and check out squeakydoorproductions.com. And if you need some work, email us, call me, and let's get to work. Appreciate you. Peace, peace.